Is your advisor keeping up with your business's needs and emerging risk trends? We are now in a rapidly changing world, and that affects your company's risk management profile, loss exposures, and your company's ability to attract and retain talent. So how well does your advisor currently understand your business and its emerging risks? Are they keeping up with the emerging risk trends? What doesn't my policy cover? Discussions with most advisors usually focuses almost exclusively around the features of what an insurance policy does cover. For small businesses, it's not only important to understand what your policy covers, but also really critical for the team to understand what the policy doesn't cover, to understand where your gaps and blind spots are, because an insurance policy is only one portion of your overall risk management strategy. What value-added services is your advisor providing beyond insurance coverage placement? After your advisor has bound the renewal for your insurance policies, what's that relationship look like for the next 9 months? That time between the binding of the policy and preparations for the next renewal. As advisors, our job does not stop when the policy is bound. You should be demanding more from your insurance agent rather than just placing your insurance coverage. There's a lot that happens between the time in which your policy gets issued and then the 9 months between that issuance and then the preparation for the renewal. Is your brokerage and your advisor committed to the industry in the region? What firm do you work with and what do they stand for? Today, not many of the agencies that you work with in the area are locally owned and operated. Our industry has seen a large consolidation, mostly backed by private equity and bank ownership. And so the key stakeholders are no longer local, and their growth strategy is acquisitional. It's important for the advisor to become deeply embedded within your organization and to become more than just an insurance provider. Number 5, do we align in our risk management vision? We use a 3-point criteria. Number 1, do they value partnership? Meaning, does that company want reliable results along with a relationship that is transparent, flexible, cost-effective? 2, do they have pride in ownership? Do they do business the right way with integrity, ethics, and principles? And 3, are they advancing? Meaning they are forward-thinking with a deep commitment to sustaining the business in a challenging market.
For more tips to help your business grow, visit ffl.net/business-boost.